How to update your NVIDIA and AMD drivers for better GPU performance. Updating your NVIDIA or AMD drivers will get you the latest features and can also help fix graphical issues and performance hits. Always update your drivers. This is especially essential for your graphical card because they are constantly receiving iterative updates and major upgrades to keep pace with the emerging technologies from the manufacturer and software developers. Even within a single card series or architecture, your GPU can evolve significantly through driver updates. This is why most troubleshooting guides suggest updating your drivers to fix any issues. New releases often include fixes for some of the most widely reported issues you might experience. So if you experience graphical issues, unusual behavior or performance problems, the first and often easiest solution you should attempt is a driver update. The good news is that NVIDIA and AMD have made updating your drivers easier than you might expect. The NVIDIA app and Radeon software suites eliminate a lot of the manual work on your end by streamlining much of the process. They will automatically search for updates and notify you when a new driver is available. What graphic card do I have? Don't know what graphics card you have. If you are unsure of the model name and number of your card, type device manager into the Windows search box and open the device manager. Unfurl the display adapter entry to see what card is currently installed in your computer. It will be named something like NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 or AMD Radeon RX 6950 XT. How to update AMD drivers? The best and easiest way to keep up to date with AMD drivers is to grab the AMD software Adrenaline Edition. Click download now on that page, then select your graphics card. You can then select the software version you need based on your current Windows OS. If you have an outdated card, you may land on a page for AMD legacy software and drivers. Once you have installed the software and signed in, find the drivers and software section of the UI on the right side. Click the check for updates button, and if one is available, the update will be automatically installed. You can also just grab the AMD Auto Detect and install tool, which is good option if you want to go from zero to complete with as little manual input as possible. As the name implies, this tool will analyze your PC and determine precisely which drivers and software you need for your setup and walk you step by step through the installation process. If you are looking for drivers for an AMD processor, you can find them on the same drivers and support page. Just click on processors in the selection menu, then select your CPU from the box on the right. How to update NVIDIA drivers? NVIDIA releases what it calls game ready drivers, which are designed to make the experience of playing specific new releases on its hardware as optimized as possible. Like AMD, the process for grabbing updates for your NVIDIA.